Hi there, students. Swoon, swoon. To swoon as a verb or a swoon as a noun. Okay, to me this word sounds a bit old-fashioned, but I've been looking at it and this is one of these words that's making a comeback. Okay, let's see. In a literary sense, to swoon means to faint, to lose consciousness. The damsel swooned onto the sofa when she heard the news of the death of her betrothed. Okay, so to faint, yeah, but if you use it literally meaning to faint, then it sounds very literary. But we use swoon nowadays to talk about to be overwhelmed by emotion. Oh wow. The girls all swooned when the singer came on stage. Yeah, they were infatuated. They were overcome, making sounds of infatuation. Oh, he's so fantastic. He's so beautiful. When they told me that I had won a lot of money, I swooned at the idea. Yeah? I guess swooningly as an adverb or even swooning. The girls screamed swooningly at the actor. Yeah, he swooned over her photograph. Oh, she's so wonderful. Okay, and this is the idea of to swoon, to feel a lot of pleasure, yeah, or a lot of love, as a result of something or someone. The audience swooned with delight when he came on stage. Yeah, and a feeling of extreme pleasure. I swooned when my baby was handed to me. So the old meaning, very dated, I fainted, but I didn't. This is metaphoric. Oh, this is so fantastic. It just feels so good. Yeah, I'm just so happy about it. To be overcome with some sort of strong emotion. The students were swooning over every word that the teacher said. Yeah, a few well-placed words, and they were swooning over him. Okay, so a literary word for to faint or to become ecstatic. Yeah, to feel rapturous emotion. Oh, it's absolute. They swooned, the art lovers swooned over the portrait that had just been unveiled. And then a swoon, okay, an instance of doing this. Oh, yeah. All I could hear were swoons of, ooh, how wonderful. Yeah, they were acting in such a swooning manner. Yeah, okay. So to swoon. Yes, there was no sentimental swooning for swooning with love for his girlfriend. He loved her, but none of this. Oh, ooh, gosh, that's good. Yeah. She's so beautiful. She's enough to make a grown man swoon. Yeah. So to amaze. The amount of money that the government has spent on this is enough to make you swoon. Oh, yeah. Okay, your strong emotion this time is not so positive. Okay, it's normally positive admiration, but maybe it just goes a bit too far. Yes, this swooning love song, full of good summer vibes. Yeah. Okay, so to swoon. Now, formality. Okay, so to faint, she swooned, he swooned. This is very literary and very formal, and I would probably give it a 7.5 in formality. But to swoon over something, to swoon at something, I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, sounds great. Use it in a semi-formal writing, but no more than that. I wouldn't use it in something very formal. Okay, so to swoon. He was swooning about the beautiful meal that he had cooked. Okay, and then as to origin, yeah, I haven't done that one yet. Okay, this comes from an Old English word, geswogen, yeah, which means to be overcome by something, geswogen. And that maybe in itself comes from a Proto-Germanic word, swogana, to make a noise. So to swoon. Oh, so if you enjoyed the video, please swoon over it and give it a rating. I would love some swooning comments. Please comment swooningly, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To swoon. Oh.